How to add a photo and video together on Instagram story. What is up everyone? Welcome to the video. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily add a photo and a video together on your Instagram story. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let's jump right in. The first thing you want to do is head over to your Instagram, and what you can try to do is first head over to your profile, tap on the plus icon and select story. So just tap on story. Now select a video that you want to add to your story like this. And once you select the video, now in order to add a photo to your story, you can just swipe up again to bring out your stickers menu, and you have to tap on photo right here. Now select just the image that you want to add to your story. And once you tap on your image, it will load up. Now, all you have to do is just go ahead and tap on it, and Instagram will provide you with different shapes like star, hearts, circle, and other shapes like this flower. So you can choose the shape that you want to add. I'm just going to make it a bit smaller and move it to the top right corner. Let me just align it perfectly. And once that is done, you can just simply go ahead and tap on post like this, and your story will be posted on your profile. So if I just tap on my profile, as you can see, the story is now posting and both the video and the photo will be added. But you just have to make sure that you select the video first, because there is no option to select a video afterwards on your stickers option. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.